anyway, I wanted to ask a question because me and my boy were having a chat in it, just about how do I put it? Just eating. You get me? And like eating the thing.
Oh.
Eating the thing.
Oh, cooch.
Yeah, cooch.
Oh, okay.
Pussy, vagina.
Yeah.
The cookie. Cool. And like, I had reservations about basically getting head, and then after I've came kissing said woman.
Okay.
I had a reservation about that, and I was told in no uncertain terms that it's childish or whatever. I was like,
but she's not leaving that shit in her mouth.
No, but still, it's just a bit mad for me. Like, just the remnants and whatnot. Like, bro, I mean, like, at least drink some water after or whatever. Like, I don't know. Not straight, bro. That's crazy. I get things can get hot and mad in the moment, innit? But like, it's just a bit mad for me, innit? Like, I mean, it's okay.
He's
like,
going to kiss her. She said,
bro, I swear to God. I swear down. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Listen. Yo, that's, I don't know, man. I struggle with that still. I struggle with that. So, cool. That happened, innit? And then we got into the conversation of eating the thing, innit? And like, I was like, cool, you can eat or whatnot, but like, up to a certain point, innit? And he was like, just, let's say you're eating it and then you go back to hitting it, cool, that's fine. And then once you're hitting it after that, I don't really think you're gonna be doing that. However,
you're kidding yourself.
However, he said, I'm not gonna bait him out, but he knows exactly who he is. He said he's done it in an instance where like he's been beating it, come inside, and then went back to eating the thing.
Oh, whoa. Yo. Nah. Nah. That's when we're offline. Yo, hey. We're not stepping in there. With that, no way.
And I said, big man thing, you're a terrorist. Because, yeah, you can't be doing that, brother.
You can't. You can't, blood.
I swear to God.
You can't. That's like, insane. That's a mad pH balance to be in, like, bro. Look what that's crazy. That's crazy scene still.
And I thought it was just me in it. No. But I just wanted to get your thoughts, just cause.
No,
that's insane.
The first bit, like if she's giving you head, and then I don't know. For me, I don't really overthink that, innit?
Okay.
I don't overthink that part, but to nut in her and then eat her, that's a different thing.
That's insane.
That's a different thing.
That's insane.
I ain't be nutting in these anyway.
You don't eat it?
No. I mean,
oh no.
I do, but I don't.
Bruh, I hate you. I do, had
but
PTSD from one girl, so I hate you still.
What came through coming?
Bruh, I ate and then like for the next 2 weeks my throat just felt different. So I just didn't. Do it for a while, innit? But, hey,
Oh shit.
if I'm lying, I'm dying, man. Listen. That's just how I
man.
felt, man.
What was it? Not was it not roasting or anything? Like it wasn't smelling anyway.
I mean,
Oh man, yeah. So you just be out,
bro, nah, but bro,
no way.
it can just
No.
smell away in it, but that's it could be just down to it just sweat or whatever.
Oh.
That's fine. But like it just
That's what?
tasted. I don't know,
No.
just a bit off in it.
Man said
And like,
sweat is nah. Fuck all that, Ruben.
bro, sweat, bro.
That you got me fucked up, bro. I'm not doing it.
Why?
I'm not doing it. It's only fresh out of the shower. that I'm doing
Ah,
it.
no, you're bugging. You're bugging. You're
I'm
bugging. You're bugging. You're bugging. You're bugging. You're bugging. You're
fucked
bugging.
up. We'll
As
both-
long as it's clean or whatever, like
fresh out the shower.
it don't even need to be
No
that. to
kids
be
out.
honest.
No kids
Right.
out. I'm not even playing.
And listen,
I need a fresh rinse.
nah,
that
man.
shit.
Sometimes,
No, man, because do you know what it is? It's just because the way that shit can just, I don't know, like, bro, nah, man.
bro. Sometimes you need that extra kick. I'm joking. I'm joking.
What in the cook
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yeah, man.
I'm joking.
Hey, that's that CLB that got
I'm
this boy.
joking. I'm
CLB got
joking.
this boy in the headlock.
I'm joking. I'm joking. These are just jokes.
What?
These are just
capping,
jokes.
mate.
These are just jokes. These are just jokes.
You make me sick.
I repeat, they're just jokes. But
You make me sick, nigga.
I'm just saying, man. It gives it some character,
Nah,
man.
absolutely not, bro.
What?
Bro, I've had girls try to tell me, like, bro, you're not me. I said,
What's wrong with that?
I don't need no extra kick. I don't need
What's
it.
wrong with a
Just
little,
give-
a
no.
little zest,
What
a little,
the fuck?
a little zang
What the fuck are
to
we
it?
talking about, bro? Bro, I remember going down one time and that shit had a kick, bro. I didn't even get hard again, bro.
Nah,
I
man.
couldn't even smash because this shit was just
Nah,
not
I
working,
like-
bro. My shit just not working.
Man,
Like, bro, my shit said no.
I hear it. I hear it still.
Like,
I hear
bro,
it.
what are we talking about here, fam? That's an extra kick. Fuck
Hey, man.
off.
I'm joking. I'm joking, man. Listen,
It's not.
I'm joking. Listen, there's.
But you know, there's some white. I've got one white boy at work. Yeah, he's like that. He says he eats arse and all that shit.
Bro, what's wrong with eating ass, man?
Yo,
What's wrong with that?
nah.
Why? What's wrong with that?
Yo,
It's not even that different to pussy.
Yo,
Bro.
yo. Do you know
What's
how?
wrong with that?
Hold on, hold the fuck on, nigga. Hold the fuck on, nigga. With pussy, the only place you're supposed to be eating is the clit. So you're
Huh?
not- yes, nigga.
Nah, you're bugging.
Yeah,
You're
what?
bugging.
Ask them,
You're-
bruv.
You're bugging.
They don't.
You're
There's,
bugging.
there's no sensation any other where else, bro. They don't need it where the fucking hole is or anything like that. They
Why
just need
not?
it on the top. Just need it on the top. They don't feel nothing there, bro.
Multitask.
They don't-
Multitask.
Bro, they don't feel nothing there unless it's penetration, bro. It's the clit
Okay,
only.
but
It's the clit only. That's where the
You've
shit
got to
is.
have that added sensation. Work the clit, and then
You do
use
the
your
rest of
tongue.
your fingers.
Yeah, multitask.
You eat the clit and then you do the thing with your fingers.
Nah,
That's
man.
what you don't.
gotta mix and match both of them, man.
You don't be eating all of that extra shit. You don't.
Bro,
Trust me.
And with us, it's just like, bro, as long as
That's
they're
where
clean.
shit comes out of.
Yeah,
I don't
but
give
as
a
long
shit
as they're
how
clean, like you said.
Bro, what did they not shit in the last 24 hours or what?
No, but you can.
So how?
If you bath shower,
What? Fresh out of a shower?
yeah, you're calm.
Impossible, man.
It's just a rim thing and in and out.
No.
What, bro? If that's probably
impossible, bro.
Eating it is probably worse than eating ass.
Huh?
Bro, you're not getting the extra juices. You're not getting none of that.
What are we talking about here, bro? Did you just try to say me eating cooch is worse than eating ass?
Bro, you're not getting the extra juice, whether it be cream or wetness.
Hey.
You're not getting that. It's just your mouth.
Who in the what?
Your saliva.
What in the fuck?
The rim.
What in the fuck is he talking about, bro?
And in and out. That's it.
Hey, shut up, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna do a thing. What do you call it? A poll. I just want to see what people think. What is worse, eating ass or eating the coochie?
Oh my days, that's insane.
I'm talking about sensation.
Where was you from, nigga? Where the fuck was you raised, bro?
Bro, I'm fam.
Where the fuck was you born?
I'm just me.
Fuck.
What's wrong with that?
Yo, you got me fucked up right now, man.
Bro,
you got me fucked.
I'm not bugging. I don't think I'm bugging.
Bro, are you joking?
I'm not. I'm not. I'm being dead serious.
Oh, shit.
What is wrong with that?
Yo, what?
What is wrong with that?
Bro, are you...
I just feel the arse is just being unfairly stigmatized due to what the function is.
Due to shit?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. The vagina, cool. That is seen as you would eat that, but like,
I wish there was someone that I could FaceTime. That
bro,
was a girl.
Wait,
is there a girl that you?
Okay, wait. Oh wait, she might be at work. Let me see this.
Because.
Let me try and call her. 1 second.
Because what the specific thing is, yeah, where you're eating on the vagina is not where you need to be. It's not going to be close to all the pissing remnants and all of that shit, even if they have pissed recently. Do you know what I'm saying? It's up close by the thing. So you're far away from all of that extra shit. So you don't need... So now we're going to the... What, nigga?
Wait, let me try and FaceTime her.
What, nigga?
Hold on.
What, nigga?
I don't know if she's busy. But
this is insane.
Let me see. Bella, stop. Wait. You are on the episode of Slam Talk
101.
Please do not say anything incriminating. How you doing today? Hey, relax.
This is my time to shine.
Hey, calm down. Anyway, cool. Question, yeah. We're talking on the subject of eating it. You get me?
Eating it.
Yes, eating
Cooch.
Eating cooch, whatever. Cool. What for you is okay, you know what, I'll ask you this. What for you is a better sensation? Eating the cooch or eating the arse?
Yeah.
Both.
What? You gotta pick one.
Why can't it be both?
Are you alright? What is better?
Wait. You what? Wait, what? Man, wait, what? This is blowing my headpiece. Cause
you start from the front and you work your way to the back. What's the problem?
Thank you.
Holy shit.
Thank you.
I don't be eating ass, so I don't know nothing about
Grow up.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a stay childish boy.
Listen, as long as the bum is clean, what's wrong with it?
Fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, bro.
I don't understand.
I feel like that's something I'm never, ever do.
That's what they say. It only takes the right girl. But,
that's crazy to me.
Nah, man.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I can't decide though. I think it's both.
Crazy. Alright, cool. Fair enough.
Wait, Max, you getting to ask 8?
No, I'm not doing that. Even though people have suggested that, it's just not. It's not in my wheelhouse right now. But anyway,
Right now. See, I love that for you. Right now.
hey, relax.
Hey, trust me, you're gonna be cockholding Drake someday.
Anyway, Bella, I'll talk to you later. I'll bleep your name out. But cool.
Alright, in a bit.
Alright, in a bit. Bye. Hey man, there you have it, man. I'm just saying, man.
That's insanity, man. That's insanity, blood. Bro,
Why? It's not, man.
I'm gobbed.
It's
gobbed
not
because
insane,
these are
man.
my niggas as well, you know. Like,
Bro, it's
I'm
a
talking.
common occurrence.
No, I didn't think niggas are out here doing that shit.
What?
Nah, man.
Bro, it's just us, like,
What?
fam.
It's just us, nigga.
Bro, it's just us. Same way it's just vagina. Like, it's just that, innit?
No, but we didn't ask her about the eating part.
What, her eating it?
No, not her.
No.
No, the sensations of where it is when you're eating it for a girl. Like, is it just the clip?
Oh.
And I think it is just the clip, bruv. I'm so sure, bruv.
Wait, let me let's go again. 1 second. Hold on.
Like, nah, man, that's outrageous. I can't believe man are just doing this. Like, man are actually just doing this, blood. That's crazy, cuz. Yo,
Hold on.
that's insane.
Well, we're back again. Alright, cool.
Okay.
Wait, ask the question again. I forgot.
So for women, yeah, when someone's eating the clit, yeah, eating the vagina, is it the clit or is it the whole piece that do you enjoy that being ate? Like, it's mainly the top bit, isn't it? No.
There's a certain area which I feel like is the top.
Yeah.
That's not everything. When it's everything, it's kind of like it's given that you don't know what you're doing.
Exactly. Yeah. That's do you know what I'm saying. It's the tin knot. It's the tin knot, and then where the hole is and that, you don't need to be licking around there, innit? No. Don't need to be, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the fingers in that?
That's different. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Comparing it to eating ass, bro. You're not near the hole of eating the clit. You're of eating pussy. You're just literally eating the clit, and then you can finger the hole. You don't need to be near anything that could have come out. Like, do you know what I'm saying?
You bugging, man.
You don't need to be near anything, bro. Like, that's, and you comparing it to eating ass. No.
Bro, there's nothing wrong with that.
Can't do it. Impossible, man. Impossible.
Bruh, there's less things to focus on when you're eating ass.
Boy, that's absolutely not.
But that's just how I feel. But anyway.
Thank
Have you
you.
tried it?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's alright.
Do you like it? Do you prefer it?
I mean,
Oh, shit.
there's less juices, innit?
Oh.
But yeah. Okay.
But, I don't know.
This nigga makes me sick.
Bro, I'm just, fam, it's just my experience, innit? Like,
But did she enjoy it?
yeah, bro, who doesn't enjoy getting an ass eat?
Some people don't, Michael.
Jesus Christ.
Why, bro?
Yeah.
Doing it. Some people might not like receiving it. Like,
Fair.
yeah.
Fair. Makes sense.
What in the fuck is going on?
Makes sense.
Hey, we're in the multiverse for real.
No, we're not. This is real life.
This is not.
But,
It's real life.
It's not real life.
bruh, I don't know. It is what
Are
it
you
is,
from
man.
South as well? You from South as well, bro? Sorry.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. Sorry. Yes. I live in Michael.
Hey, relax. Stop. Don't be giving up locations like that, man. Relax.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
shit.
But, yeah.
What? And you guys live in the same environment that raised me. And
Bro,
you think,
it's common, man.
Jesus.
It's very common. Actually.
No, it's not. It's not, bruv. What are you talking about?
Okay, it should be more normalized, I'll say.
Did you stumble across these experiences once you went to uni and you had white friends? Or where did you stumble upon eating ass?
No, it was after uni, innit? But like, it's just arse, innit? Like,
So in uni you didn't eat ass, but it's
No.
after uni you
No, I
decided,
didn't.
let me try this shit. Fuck.
bro, you just grow up in it. Like, you just wanna try different things.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, Jesus Christ.
That's all it is.
That's all it is. Oh, God.
That's all it is, man.
Hey, the streets is done.
Streets ain't done.
The streets is done, bro. Impossible, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man. I don't know.
That is flames, fam.
I don't know. But,
Well,
yeah. Alright, cool. Thank you for your insight today.
Yeah.
And
love.
thank you for your debut. Maybe you'll be on
Your
soon.
debut.
Yeah, this is your debut.
You're gonna have to come on.
Thank you.
You're gonna have to come on properly, though.
Hey, relax.
Relax.
But anyway, I'll chat to you later.
Alright, bye.
Hello.
No.
I mean, yeah, man.
That is absolutely insanity, blood. But,
It's life, man.
yeah, man.
That's what I'm saying. But yeah, Ian us, man. Yeah.
It's just You're killing me. You're not even drinking, blood. What in the fuck is going on, bro?
Bro, it's just normal, bro. It's just normal. It's just normal. That's what I'm saying.
No, man.
But yeah, man. Enough about eating us.
Fuck.
What's next? Can go into music, man.
Can't believe it. Yo.
No, man. That's what it is, bro.
Oh.
This is real life, man.
I'm not embarrassed.
I'm not embarrassed in the slightest. Not in the slightest,
You know, this is old wax, you know.
bro. Listen, I don't care in it. Like, it's just,
What?
bro. The views shared are of my own in it.
Facto. What?
They don't
Trust me.
They don't reflect anybody else.
Trust
I'm
me,
speaking
dog.
for me. And if any employers see this, listen. Just
They're eating us too, don't worry about that.
exactly. You know what? You guys are probably doing it too, innit? So I don't care.
Hey, I ain't doing that shit.
No, fair enough.
Yo, I'm a rude. You see what I'm saying?
Hey man,
What?
ain't nothing wrong with it.
Fuck that. But fucking hell. What a no.
Hey, man.